Run, come watch a video, yeah. In this video, Dwayne explains that he is not a scammer. He also shows his receipt about the money that he has sent to Saloni. Now, for the full details, watch the full video.
But don't stay so. I honestly, guys, I don't care who wants to believe me. I don't care which. If one don't want to believe me, don't believe. I don't care. But this a boy over here, sir, me full of pride. I am full of pride. Right? I've never, and I will never, hear me well, I, Dwayne Fletcher, will never beg anyone any money. I promise you guys. So whether anyone want to believe me or not, me don't care. I don't care. If I want anything, Mom, are you busy? Mom, are you at work? Oh, Mom, can you go and get me some stuff from the supermarket? Mom, can you go to the bank and pull out this amount of money for me? I don't need nobody's money on the media. Trust and believe. So when